In today's video, we'll be unboxing the PrimeCables monitor desk mount. Welcome to Tech Check. I'm Andrew, and today we have the PrimeCables monitor desk mount. This monitor desk mount fits most 13 to 27 inch monitors with a weight of 2 to 6.5 kilograms or 4.4 to 14.3 pounds. I picked this up from Amazon, and it was literally just dropped off at my door by Campar, and thought, hey, why not do an unboxing? The PrimeCables monitor desk mount is a gas-powered arm mount that is 360 degrees rotation at the base and at the midpoint. Also, it's got VESA mounting, and the VESA mount has a 90 degree up tilt and a 45 degree down tilt, as well as a 180 degree total swivel and 360 degree rotation. This arm can be mounted either with a grommet through your desk or by clamping it to the side with a C-clamp. Let's look at the front of the box here. The front has some more information about this. It's VESA 75 by 75 or 100 by 100 compatible. That's millimeters. Your 360 degree rotation, as I stated earlier. Your positive 90 to negative 45 degree tilt. And your positive 90 to negative 90 degree swivel, which is total 180 degree swivel side to side of your monitor. It does have built-in cable management, a direction indicator, gas spring, and works with curved monitors, which I wasn't actually smart enough to actually look up when I was ordering this, but I'm glad that it will work with my curved monitor. Alright, so full disclosure, I did cut the tape on this one side to make it a bit easier for opening up in this video. However, I haven't opened it and taken it out of the box, so this will be a first for both of us. Let's see what's inside. All right, that's everything from the box. Let's take a look. Oh, sorry about that. I hit the camera. All right, so inside this packaging here. Oh, wait, I think there's a manual underneath. Yes, we have a manual. There's your manual. Oh, it's like a poster manual with all your instructions on how to put this together. Step by step. That's good. Come on, we don't need manuals, do we? I'm just joking. Yes, I need a manual, I think. All right, so this would be the C-clamp that I was talking about to mount it if you don't want to drill a hole in your desk or if there isn't already a pre-drilled hole. Here's some hardware. I'm sure it's labeled in for what exactly it's for. This, I believe, would be also part of your mount and your screw for if you were going to drill a hole and put it through your desk to be a bit more stable, I guess. Just leave that back in there. All right, and this, I'm guessing, is the actual arm itself. Alright, so it's zip tied together right now, I guess, for safety and travel and shipping and everything. Right here, you have one of the cable management parts, as well as right here. You have, keep the front arm to its highest before taking off the monitor, otherwise it might pop out to hurt your jaw. Oh, that's why it is zip tied. Because if I undo that zip tie, it's going to pop out and bust my jaw. I'm just joking. Anyways, there's your VESA mount. What else do we have here? Stored energy hazard. Okay, so that's just letting you know when you cut this, hold it or it's going to pop out. So yeah, I would really recommend you did that. Here's the rubber feet I was talking about earlier so that it doesn't damage your desk. I'm guessing, yeah, that's what those are for. And I'm not going to extend this right now because I don't feel like getting injured or breaking something. I'm going to do it when I'm up in my room putting it together. All right, I thought that was a little defect, but there we go. That's the PrimeCables mount. Well, that was the unboxing of the PrimeCables gas arm desk mount. If you'd like to pick one up for yourself or get some more information on it, be sure to check out the links I've posted in the description below. If you like this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up, comment, and possibly subscribe. I'm Andrew, and this was Tech Check.